Already spilled the food on the floor. And I'm going to have to wake up Sleeping Beauty here. Wakey, wakey, Sleeping Beauty. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Uh-oh. Good morning. I got greeted by one of the little males this morning when I came in. He walked right up to me and said, "Hey, Grammy, how you doing?" He put his paw on my foot and said, "Pick me up." Buddy, you're supposed to eat what's in the bowl, not the edge of the bowl. And the toy is supposed to have arms on it, but their mother tore them up. And she's the one that put the toy in here.